My grandmother was a storyteller. I wrote a novel about my grandmother called Bessie because I wouldn't trust her for an oral history. It had to be a fiction. But the story is that she was arrested and sent to Siberia at the age of 12, escaped from Siberia and came here when she was about 16, maybe 15, and then eventually went back once the Bolshevik Revolution broke out and was a nurse in the Red Army for a couple of years, at which time she also got pregnant with my mom, lost her husband, and managed to get back to the United States with my mother, the baby. So that's what I know. I have a picture of her father in my office, who was supposed to be a rabbi, but everyone's father was a rabbi, it seems. But, you know, and I know that my grandmother witnessed a pogrom in her childhood, witnessed a family member being killed in shul. I know that the story of my grandmother, the story she told was that her older brother Julius, that wasn't his Yiddish name, had a printing press in the basement, and when the gendarmes showed up, she was the one home, and she took the fall at the age of 12 or 13. She claimed to have met Babushka Breshkovskaya in Siberia, as well as Vera Figner, two revolutionary women, who I've, Wikipedia'd. And she escaped, as many did, supposedly, befriended a priest and the priest's daughter, and got on a train and made her way back to civilization. And I don't know how she then came to the States.
Mm-hmm. Interesting.
After the revolution, the story was that a American sea captain gave her transport out with a sense of pity of this poor woman, lost and probably with typhus and so on, gave her transport to the United States again. Again, I don't know what's, my grandmother also claimed to have met Lenin at a rail station and helped nurse him through a toothache. So I don't know of my grandmother's stories, but it's a good novel.